Hello everyone, it's Hanny in the new year 2019. I think it's January the 3rd. Yes, I forgot, sorry. I saw a few videos on YouTube. I will put a link of links below in my description box where I saw I think it was Gayle and another one. I always forget names, but I will put a link in somewhere. And I make from scraps all kinds of little, well, embellishments. Where is my, oh here it is. I will zoom in a bit so I show you a bit better. This one, this one, this one, all kinds of scraps, just sewing things together. And it's fun, it's fun to do, I love it. Well, there are lots of more scraps and or embellishments with all kinds of scraps. I have and papers and burlap and whatever, and my little sewing machine. I zoom out a bit again because you can't see it. My little sewing machine, I love it. And I did another thing. Oh yeah, lace. It's a big mess here and I love it. I have a book, a journal, and I also make pockets from book pages. I will put a link in the description below of a playlist. And well, I had a junk journal, I have it, I didn't have it, I have it, and I'm going to like Gayle does, make examples in it so I can well, when I have no ideas anymore, I can look and well, and I glued some embellishments in it too. And here are pockets with an embellishment, and well, this is a example pocket, and tags pockets, and I have to do something with this. I love this very much. I have to glue it or sew it and just clip it on the page. That's an example here. This one. And I made a loose page as example. I put it behind or in the pocket itself. And here I put a little embellishment on it, and this is the pocket in the book, and this is the example I made so I can see how I did that, and I wrote something down there. And I recommend it to everyone. It's fun to make, and well, you don't have to watch those videos again and again to see how they did it. This is a pocket, little embellishment. Maybe I sewing some of gluing some buttons on it, or well, we'll see. This is the example how it's made. and put it in the pocket itself. So, and a few tags in it. Oh yeah, and I made this one as an envelope. I will clip it in, and I had a little embellishment on that. Well, that's as far as I went. Well, this is the junk journal I made. I had it in Etsy, but no one would buy it, so I use it myself now. I love this journal, and I think it's a wonderful example journal to put all kinds of pockets and examples in it. So that's what I wanted to show you. I wished you all a very happy new year. Well, I will do it again. And a crafty year. This is a very short video just to show you what I'm doing. And I want to make more journals. Oh yeah, I have something new. Or new. I saw it too, and I want to make it for my Etsy shop. Oh, you can't see it. Well, I will gather some stuff. Well, I'm going to make trims. Like so. You see? Beautiful trims. Can you see it? Yeah. And I will put them in my Etsy shop too. They are not in it yet, but I will. I'm not ready yet. Well, it's a lot of work. You have to, well, I have to trim everything and then make pictures, and well, I'm busy with that. And there are lots more. I will show you a few more. This one, well, that's not trim, that's yeah, kind of ribbon. And this is a trim. And this is a trim. I hope you can see it. Well, I have lots of this stuff, and well, I want to get rid of it. So I'm going to sell some in my Etsy shop. And I'm using the trim myself. Here I have trims. And I use it for these embellishments too. See if I have an example. Well, here I used a piece of trim. And here I used a piece of trim. So, and this one is in it, and this one is in it. Well, I'm going to make some more embellishments. Well, maybe I could make one while you're watching. Well, I collaged it, all kinds of scraps. I collaged on a piece of paper, and that's a scrap too. So I will make an embellishment with that. Well, I have a piece of trim here. I like that. Like so. and maybe a piece of lace. Lace. I have to search. 1 moment. I had blue lace. I thought I had blue lace. Oh, here I have a bit of blue lace. Just cut it off. And the piece of yarn. Oh yes, I sell this yarn and many other pieces of yarn. I think 38 pieces, I'm not sure. You can order them in my Etsy shop too. Well, we'll do it that way. Something like that. And maybe a piece of this yarn too. Like so. Like so. Well, I will sew that off camera. You only can hear me sewing it. Oh no, I can sew it with this. I have a regular sewing machine, but of course I have my little one here. So I will try, when it's too thick, I'm doing it on my other sewing machine. And so, and that's another trim too, or embellishment too, made from scraps and trims and pieces of yarn. That easy it is. But you can watch Gayle's video and oh, I don't remember her name, but sorry. You can read it down below on YouTube. So that's it for today. A short video. Now you know what I'm doing. And well, it's very satisfying work. So I will make lots more. Have a nice day and thank you for watching.